Ateti kuma ciama citiganite iria ciĩtĩkĩrĩte kũninwo nĩguo gũthondeka kĩama kĩmwe kĩa Jubilee megũcamanĩtie gũkũ Nairobi kũrĩkĩrĩria mĩbango ya kũrũgũria kĩama kĩu kĩerũ. Na thutha wa mũcemanio ũcio, kamĩtĩ ĩrĩa ĩratereba mũbango wa kũrũgũrio gwa kĩama kĩu kĩa Jubilee yugĩte maũndũ mothe nĩ marĩkĩte.
So today's meeting was really to make sure that all the logistics are in place.
What we are planning is the biggest political convention ever seen in this country.
Maugĩte makĩria ya ajumbe 100 nĩo makagomana kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Kasarani gũkũ Nairobi nĩguo kũrũgũria kĩama kĩu kĩerũ kĩrĩa gĩkũnyitithania makĩria ya ciama 10 cia kĩũteti.
13 political parties, possibly 14, because we're still receiving parties that are registering themselves with the merger.
Massive recruitment of members in preparation for our elections in August 2017, which we are going to win with a landslide.
Kahinda-inĩ o kau kĩama kĩu gĩkindĩrĩirie wamũrani wa ateti arĩa makarũĩra iturwa citiganĩte kũgerera kĩama kĩa Jubilee ũgatabanio nĩ kamĩtĩ ya ithurano IEBC nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra mũtaratara ũcio ugakorwo wĩ wa ma na kĩhoto.
Our nomination is going to be done by IEBC. All of us, including those who are here, who are privileged to have been the steering committee, none of us has a preferred position in terms of tickets or nominations, and there is no direct ticket which is going to be given to each one of us.
Kĩama kĩu gĩkarũgũrio tarĩki 10 mweri ũyũ kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Kasarani gũkũ Nairobi.
So from now on there is no gap. What we have is a Jubilee Party.
Kĩama kĩu kĩerũ kĩa Jubilee Party ningĩ nĩkĩo President Uhuru wa Kenyatta na mũnini wake William Ruto makahũthĩra kũrũĩra ũtongoria gĩthurano-inĩ gĩũkĩte. Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.